Hello everyone, my name is Hidayah Shahirah Binti Marsuki. My matrix number BB23110665. So today, I will be conducting my individual marketing research data analysis using Smart PLS. The data set that I receive consists of 5 constructs, namely influencer marketing, digital marketing, online customer review, fear of missing out or FOMO, and purchase decision. In this study, FOMO acts as the mediator while purchase decision is the dependent variable. My objective today is to import the dataset into Smart PLS, construct the research framework, evaluate the measurement model, continue with the structure model, and finally interpret the findings. I'm using my lecturer notes as a reference while completing the analysis. Instead of guessing the steps, I follow the guidelines carefully and compare my result with the recommended criteria. This helped me understand the analysis better and complete the task. Before I begin, I have prepared my lecturer notes and the assignment guidelines so that I can refer to them whenever necessary. I will explain every step that I perform through this analysis. Before importing the dataset into Smart PLS, let me briefly explain the variables used in this study. This dataset consists of 5 constructs. The independent variables are influencer marketing, digital marketing, and online customer review. The mediating variable is fear of missing out or FOMO, while the independent variable is purchase decision. Each construct consists of 5 indicators and each row represents one respondent answer. Now I will proceed to import the dataset into Smart PLS and begin the analysis. Now I will open Smart PLS. I'm creating a new project and I give the name for the file is individual assignment. Then I press the create. Next, I will import the Excel dataset that has been provided by my lecturer. I need to ensure that all variables have been imported correctly before proceeding. After checking the indicators, I will confirm that all variables appear correctly inside Smart PLS. Now I change the scale to all original and give the mean 1 and apply. So my data has been processed to Smart PLS. So this is my data. Now I will create a new model in Smart PLS. First I will click the create model. Next I enter my project name as digital marketing to make it easier to identify my analysis. For the model type, I select PLSM because this study aims to examine the relationship between variables and test the proposed research model. Now I will do my framework. Now I will construct the conceptual framework. The first construct is influencer marketing. The second construct is digital marketing. The third construct is online customer review, OCR1 until OCR5. The fourth construct is fear of missing out, which acts as the mediator. Finally, purchase decision is my dependent variable. I will now connect the paths according to the research framework. The three independent variables points towards FOMO, then FOMO points towards purchase decision. If the framework includes direct effect from the independent variables to purchase decision, I will also connect those paths accordingly. Next, I will assign the indicators. Influencer marketing consists of 5 indicators. Digital marketing also have 5 indicators. Online customer review has 5 indicators. FOMO contains 5 indicators. Purchase decision also contains 5 indicators. I will check carefully to make sure that every indicator belongs to the correct construct. So this is my framework. The model is no complete, so click the calculate and click the PLSM algorithm. Then start calculation. So after the calculate, next I will check the auto loadings for each indicator. Ideally, every indicator should have a loading value above 0.70, which show that it measure it construct well. Based on the result, most of the indicators meet the recommendation. Now I am checking the construct reliability and validity result. First, the converge alpha value are above 0.70, indicating good reliability. Next, the composite reliability value also exceeds 0.70. Next, I will evaluate the HTMT value. To assess discriminant validity, the recommendation is below 0.90. Based on the result shown, all HTMT values are below the acceptable limit. Therefore, the constructs are clearly distinct from one another and the discriminant validity of the model is achieved. Now I will evaluate the inner VIF value to check for collinearity among the predicted construct in the structure model. All VIF values are below 5, indicating that there are no collinearity issue. Therefore, the structural model meets the required assume, and I can continue with the bootstrapping analysis. Now I am running the data for bootstrapping. Click the calculate, then click bootstrapping. Don't forget to change total to one tel. Then click the start calculation. And then wait for the minute to calculation. After the calculation, click the structure model for P value and click the path coefficient and T value. After that, search the path coefficient. Click the path coefficient. Now I am reviewing the bootstrapping result to the significance of the relationship between the variables. I will focus on the T statistic and P value. A T value greater than 1.96 and a P value less than 0.05 indicate significant relationship. Based on this result, most of the proposed relationships are significant and support the research hypothesis. Now I check the path coefficient, mean, T value and P value. Based on the result, I will interpret the significance of each relationship. The path of digital marketing to FOMO, digital marketing to purchase decision, FOMO to purchase decision, influencer to FOMO, and online customer review to purchase decision are significant because their P value are below 0.05. However, the relationship between influencer marketing and purchase decision and online customer and for are not significant because their p-value are greater than 0.05. Now we check the R-square. There is no have data because we don't have changed the to slower. Then click calculate and click bootstrapping. Then change the amount of the result to slower. Then click start calculation. After the calculation, click the R square and yeah, we have the data. This is my R square. For the last one, the R square value to determine how much variance is explained by the model. Based on the result, both FOMO and purchase decision have positive R square value, indicating that the independent variable explain a portion of the variance in the construct. Therefore, the model has acceptable explanatory power. That's all. So, after completing this project, I realized that the most challenging part was interpreting the smart PLS result correctly. At first, I was unsure about some of the output, especially when checking the validity and significance of the model. Instead of rushing through the analysis, I took some to review my lecturer notes and carefully compare the result with the recommended criteria. This helped me understand the analysis much better. This assignment taught me that data analysis is more than just using software. It requires patience, critical thinking, and attention to detail. Through this project, I become more confident in using Smart PLS and learning how to solve problems independently whenever I encounter it difficult. If I have the opportunity to conduct another Smart PLS analysis in the future, I will prepare my research framework and analysis plan yearly. I also want to improve my understanding of statistical interpretation before starting the analysis that I can work more efficiently and confidently. Overall, I am satisfied that I managed to complete this project independently. This assignment has strengthened and not only my knowledge of Smart PLS but also personal skills such as independent time management and self-reflection. Thank you for watching my presentation. That's all from me.